Arm pain during planche? The moment you lean forward, your elbows start screaming, your biceps feel overloaded, and your forearms tighten like they're about to tear. If that sounds familiar, stop right there. Because pushing through this pain is exactly how athletes destroy their elbows and end up forced to quit training for months. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. Arm pain during planche is not because you're weak. It's because your body is loading the wrong joints. And the good news is, once you fix that, the pain starts disappearing fast. Most athletes jump into planche thinking it's all about arm strength. They rush progressions, lean too far, and hope pain means progress. But planche is a straight arm skill. If your elbows are even slightly bent or relaxed, your biceps tendon takes brutal stress. That's why you feel sharp elbow pain or deep ache near the joint. The fix is simple but non-negotiable. Lock your elbows completely. Actively squeeze your triceps. Rotate your arms outward so your elbow pits face forward. Don't just hold your body up, push the floor away from you. When you do this correctly, you'll instantly feel less pressure in your arms. Another massive reason for arm pain is dead shoulders. If your scapula isn't active, your arms take everything. Collapsed shoulders dump your entire body weight into your elbows. Instead, you need aggressive scapular protraction. Push your shoulders forward, round your upper back slightly, and lock your core into a hollow body. Think of spreading your shoulder blades apart as hard as possible. When your shoulders carry the load, your arms finally get relief. Then there's the mistake almost everyone makes, leaning too far too soon. You see advanced athletes holding straddle or full planche and try to copy them. But your joints haven't earned that angle yet. Overleaning shifts extreme force into your arms and elbows. The correct approach is slow planche leans. Hands on the floor, elbows locked, shoulders protracted, and lean forward only until you feel tension, not pain. Hold that position for 10 to 20 seconds. Pain means you've gone too far. Control means you're building strength safely. Wrist mobility plays a bigger role than most people realize. Tight wrists force your elbows to compensate. If your wrists can't extend properly, your arms suffer every single time. Before training, take 2 minutes to prepare your wrists. Do slow wrist circles, palm pulses, fist rocks, and light fingertip leans. This small habit can instantly reduce arm pain and improve your planche control. Skipping warm-ups is another silent killer. Planche is one of the most demanding skills on your joints. Training it cold is asking for injury. A proper warm-up activates the muscles that protect your arms. Scap push-ups, straight arm plank holds, light band pull-downs, and gentle elbow rotations prepare the tissues before heavy loading. 5 minutes here can save you months of forced rest later. Overtraining is where many motivated athletes sabotage themselves. Planche is not meant to be trained every day. Your joints need recovery just as much as your muscles. 2 to 3 focused planche sessions per week is enough. Always leave at least 48 hours between sessions. And if you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. Pain is not a badge of honor, it's a warning sign. If you already have arm pain, don't panic. But don't ignore it either. Drop full planche attempts for now. Switch to controlled leans and pseudo-planche push-ups. Ice the elbows after training for 10 minutes and massage your forearms and biceps to improve blood flow. Train around the pain, not through it. That's how you recover and come back stronger. Before every planche set, do a quick mental check. Are your elbows locked? Are your shoulders pushed forward? Is your core tight? Are your wrists warm? And most importantly, is there any sharp pain? If something feels off, reset. Clean technique beats ego every single time. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Planche is not just a strength move. It's a joint control skill. The strongest athletes aren't the ones who rush progressions. They're the ones who stay healthy long enough to build real strength. Protect your elbows, respect the process, and progress will come faster than you think. If this video helped you understand why your arms hurt and how to fix it, hit the like button so more athletes don't destroy their elbows chasing progress. Comment, planched, if you're serious about mastering planche the smart way. Subscribe for pain-free calisthenics, joint-friendly training, and real progress that lasts. Train smart, protect your joints, and I'll see you in the next video.